How to manage high quality images on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage high quality images on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here, and now you will see this one. Click on it, settings and privacy, and then click this one, accessibility, display and languages, and then click this one, data usage, and then click here. And as you see now, you can select anything you want, Wi-Fi only or never. And if you want, just let it on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And that's how manage high quality images on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.